What's going on, guys? Triple M here, and today is February 23, 2017, and today I will be announcing a giveaway that I know you guys been waiting for. Now, I will be announcing the giveaway of a brand new NVIDIA Shield 2017, and this is the version with the remote as well as the controller. And of course, this is in celebration of my 100,000 subscribers, and one lucky subscriber will win this Android box. So this is the NVIDIA Shield 2017 model, guys. This is revered as the best Android box that's out there, that's available. This box is powerful enough to do most of your gaming, handles all of your streaming, and is very sleek, very nice design, and that is why it is the best one out there. So a little bit about this box. It does have a Tegra X1 processor, 256 core Maxwell GPU, 3 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of storage, but it does have adaptable storage, so you can go ahead and hook up a SSD or hard drive to this guy just to create more space for you. This is 4K, of course. HDR is 60 frames per second, and one of you guys are going to win this today. I will be announcing the details of the giveaway a little bit later. So in this video right here, I did announce that I wanted to give a shout out to some of my loyal subscribers, the ones that knows where to find my content, who go to my channel, go to the community section, post during the community section, and definitely want to dedicate some time to you guys. So let's head over to the community section. This is my release for today, guys. If you guys are interested, IPVanish is having a great deal. 2-year VPN plan, $3.33 a month, guys. Go ahead and check that video out. It will be on my channel and on the recent videos. Also, it will be in my VPN playlist. But this is the actual post that I was talking about, and let me go ahead and click on it. So basically, in the video I released, I just told you guys I want to spend some time just shouting out everyone that jumped over to my community section and left a comment on this post right here. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So big shout out to AR Dixon. He's the top guy up there. Joe Cola. We have Victor here because I can't pronounce his last name. We have DeAndre Barnes. We have Zachar the Gamer. We also have John Hepp. Just Me. Big shout out to David Carr. Steve Kingash. Wayne Durham. Don C. We also have Alex Padilla. We have Clarence Break 74. He said, congrats, man. Alex Padilla again. Alex just scanned me out of 2 shoutouts. We also have Sayman. We have Howard Whitcomb. Charles Kramer. Carol P. Big shout out to Carol. I see her on my channel all the time. Definitely an active subscriber there. We have Streets Watching. We also have Martin E. Jimmy Rose. We have Kevin H. Juan Cita. Alicia Gregg. Big shout out to Alicia. She's the definition of what it is to have an active subscriber on my channel. Every video, if you go to any of my videos, you see Alicia commenting and usually dropping information, dropping gems for you guys, and definitely making my life a little bit easier. So big shout out to Alicia Gregg. We also have Robert M. OG Kush. We have Devils Holcomb. We have Derek Lane, KG, Dwayne Allison, Miguel Pagan. We also have Stephen Grant. We have Kenneth. No, I'm gonna mispronounce that last name. Stu Palmer, another active subscriber. Big shout out to Stu Palmer. Definitely active on my YouTube channel. Also see him on my Twitter. Definitely share my videos, liking my videos, and just spreading the word about the channel. So big shout out to Stu Palmer as well. Lou Flores, another big shout out to you. Congratulations, I knew you would hit 100K milestone. Keep doing what you're doing. Thank you. We also have Curtis Arney, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, and Dottie Dig. So big shout out to everyone that went over to that post and dropped a comment in there. Really do appreciate you guys. Definitely would like to see more of this. Whenever I drop something in the community section, drop a comment. Same thing with the videos, guys. Drop a comment, even if it's just to say hi. Definitely worth it. So let's go back to the details of the NVIDIA Shield giveaway. So first things first, make sure your notifications turned on. A winner will be announced on the 1st of March, and I will be dropping a video just announcing the winner. 4 things that you need to do to be eligible to win this box is: 1, you must be subscribed to the channel. If you haven't done so already, head over to my channel, hit that red subscribe button in the top right. You must like this video, and what that means is at the bottom of the display window, there's a thumbs up, there's a thumbs down. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. You must share this video. I don't care if it's on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Google. I don't care where you share it. It must be verifiable, because I will be contacting you and I will be asking for a link or a page where I can go there and verify that this video was shared. And last thing, and probably most important, you must drop a comment in the comment section of this video, and just drop a comment just saying, hey, I share this video here, provide a link. That would be great. That would kind of make the process a lot easier. Or you can just drop a comment just saying, hey, Triple M, I'm entering for my chance to win. Whatever it is, just make sure you comment. If you comment multiple times, it won't improve your chances of winning. And we'll have a couple other giveaways coming up, just celebrating my 100K subscribers. So thank you guys for watching. Good luck again, and I'll catch you on the next one.